So I've made many videos about how to make money online via affiliate marketing in the past, and recently I've been focusing on how to make money online via Digitstem affiliate marketing platform. I have got a lot of interesting comments on my videos which I have answered, but today I'm going to be addressing a lot which I know it will be helpful for many of you who are new to affiliate marketing and especially to Digitstem affiliate marketing. However, there's a particular interesting comment which I got, which I'm also going to be sharing with you in today's video. If you are new here, hello, my name is Victoria. I am an affiliate marketer, a YouTuber as you can guess, and I help people make money online via business, affiliates and social media marketing. So if this is something that you are interested in, make sure you stick around by clicking on the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, like this video, leave a comment below and share this video with your friends. So the first question that I've got here says, hi, good day, how can I sell on Digitstem? So basically, Digitstem, like any other affiliate marketing platform, this is how you can sell on it. Let me start by saying you first need to register. I've got a video, this video where I talk about how to register on Digitstem affiliate marketing. In this video also, I took you through the steps of registering, getting your affiliate link and promoting your affiliate links. In this other video, I shared how you can actually promote your affiliate links, where you should be promoting your affiliate link in order to maximize every click. So basically, you want to register, you want to grab your link and you want to start promoting it everywhere promotable. However, I would say that it is important that you have a focused audience, a number of people that are interested in what you will be selling, in what you will be promoting. So it's not like you are just promoting it to just anybody and just promoting it anyhow. You need to be focused, you need to know what you are doing, you need to know the kind of things that the people you are promoting this to are interested in. So this will help you to know how to promote the products to them. So if you want to know more about this, I've got a masterclass coming up, but it is a unique kind of masterclass. In this masterclass, I am not going to be solely teaching. You're going to be asking your questions and I'm going to be answering them about affiliate marketing. So grab the link in the description box below and also in the comment section, and I'll see you on the inside. The next question that I have says, how do I know who to send the link to and who want to get the product? So this is related to the first question that has been asked. So for you to know who to send the link to and who will want to get the product, you have to have an avatar, like an example of the person you are targeting. So who is this person? Is this person still in school? Is this person working? Is this person doing a 9 to 5? Is this person in tech? Is this person in content creation? Is this person in healthcare? What are the things that this person is interested in? Is this person interested in losing weight? Just know the interest of the person. That's number one. When you know the interest of the person you are selling to, it is easier for you because then you'll be able to show them this is the product that they need. Also, you might want to know what their goals are. So for somebody who is interested in losing weight, their goal might be, oh, this year I want to lose 20 kg in the next 6 months. So now you know the goal of your avatar. And the truth is, once there's somebody with a particular goal or an interest, there are other people, thousands of other people that are also interested in achieving that goal. So now your job is to make sure that you get these people, this audience. These are the people you are going to be promoting your product to. Like I said, I'm going to be talking more about this in the masterclass where I'll be answering your questions. So grab the link in the description box and also in the comment section. The next question says, I'm new on this, but I've opened my account. I've paid for membership, but I don't know how to go about it. So I get this question a lot, especially about Digitstem affiliate marketing, and I have this video here as a solution for you. In this video, I actually explained everything that you need to know. So if you are new to Digitstem affiliate marketing and you are wondering how do I go about it, how do I start it, I'm saying Digitstem affiliate marketing because most of my audience are Nigerians, and for Nigerians, there are a lot of these affiliate marketing companies that do not allow Nigerians. So Digitstem affiliate marketing is a good place for you to start as a Nigerian, as an African, or even if you are Nigerian or African and you are outside of Nigeria or Africa, you are in Europe, you are in US, you are in UK, Digitstem is a very good place for you to start. So I have made this video for you, watch it, and I gave you the step-by-step guidance on how to go about that. Okay, this next question is very interesting. It says, what if you don't make money from it because people can't pay 20k for registration? That is a very, very limiting belief that you need to get rid of. You need to get rid of it. How can you be thinking for people? How can you be thinking for them? Do you are you seeing their account balance? Do you know what their goal is? Do you know what their interests are? Do you know what they are aiming to get before the end of the year, or in the next 6 months, or in the next 2 years, in the next 5 years? Why are you thinking for them? This is a very, very limiting belief. It is a belief that keeps you where you are. It prevents you from advancing. It prevents you from seeing beyond your locality. It prevents you from seeing beyond your environment. Who told you that your target audience needs to be people that you are seeing every day? This is a belief that you need to get rid of. So please register for the masterclass and let's have a chat. You need to get rid of that in 2024. If you go ahead with this mindset in 2024, I'm telling you, you're not going to achieve anything. You're not going to achieve anything. Don't think for people. You just make sure that you position yourself as the person who has a solution to the problems that people have, and then see your affiliate marketing product skyrocket. Once you know the right people that you are targeting, you have the right products, then it is easier. It is much more easier. You don't even have to be thinking about, oh, but 20k is too much, but 30k is too much, but 50k is too much. Do you know that people can pay as much as $20,000 for a coaching, or for a product, or for a service? That is because they know the value of the product, they know the value of the service, and they know that they need it. And the person who is selling the coaching or the service has positioned himself as the person with the right product and the right service to help with their problems. And so they give him or her the money in exchange for what they need to advance their life. So let that not be a limiting belief for you. Please, 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 and please. Take that out of your mindset, please. Let's go to the next question. Okay, so the next question says, is this viable for Caribbean countries? So yes, I believe so. It's viable for Africans, Caribbeans, Europeans, anybody. Basically, what you need to have in mind is how to get your money out once you start making sales. So I have another video where I showed you how to withdraw your money from Digitstem affiliate marketing once you started making money. Of course, I want to withdraw your money. I showed you how to do that. I'm going to be linking that also in the description box below or somewhere around here. Now, there are certain African countries that automatically you can get your money into your bank account directly. However, for others, you can use mobile money or international payment. So as long as you can get money internationally, then you can go ahead and register for Digitstem affiliate marketing. Okay, the next question says, please, when actually can I post my product link? When? Now. Like now. Start posting it now. However, if you are still confused about a lot of things about who and how to get your audience, then please watch my other videos and make sure that you register for the masterclass, which I'll be linking in the description box below. Okay, so these are just the same set of questions. Who am I selling it to? How can I make sales? Where can I find the people that I will market the product to? I have this particular video where I talked about where you can market the product. So watch this video. I'll be leaving it also in the description box below. So the next question says, do I need to post and promote products on my social media platform, or there are special platforms for promotion? Because this promotion is a great concern for me. I'm not a very social person, so I don't have a lot of contact on my social media. Okay, see, the good news is that with affiliate marketing, you don't need to have a lot of people following. In fact, most of the time, you need to create a new social media following for your target audience in order to sell your affiliate marketing products. And selling on social media is not the only way through which you can get your product sold. There are other ways by which you can get your product sold. And even if you don't have a lot of followers, there are ways by which you can get to people on that platform who need the product that you are selling. In fact, one of the first things that you need to do is to know what you want to sell, know who you want to sell it to, know where they are. Where are these people? Where do they shop? Where do they go online? You know, if your target audience, for example, are people between the ages of 50 and 60 years, you might not expect to see them on TikTok, even though there are some on TikTok. But you know, TikTok is not the preferred social media platform for people of that age range. Know your avatar, know what they do, know where they relax, know where they shop, know the kind of things that interests them. When you know all these things, you'll be able to better position yourself to present a product to them. You get? I'm going to be expatiating more on this in the masterclass, so don't miss it. Grab the link in the description box below. So the next question says, do people have to make a purchase before you earn, or they just have to click the link? Yes, my darling, they need to make a purchase. If they just click the link and they did not make a purchase, there will be no money exchanged and you can't get a commission. So first, they need to click. After clicking, they need to go ahead and buy. After buying, then that is when you get your own commission. The next question says, I wish to know more about this affiliate marketing. Yes, you can know much more about it. I have a lot of videos on my channel about affiliate marketing, and I'm also going to be hosting this masterclass, which a lot of you have actually been asking for. So grab the link in my description box below. After paying the $10, how do we sell, and which product is the best to sell, and how do we sell it? Okay, so this is another video on its own, like how to know what product to sell and how to sell it. I'll try and make another video about that. However, it's part of the things I'm going to be talking about in this masterclass, so grab the link in the description box below. Is it only those who stay in Africa that can do this affiliate business? What about those who live in EU? Can they do it? Yes. Whether you are in Africa or you're in Europe or you're in America, wherever you are, affiliate marketing business is so unique. I mean, that's something that I love about it, because online businesses generally, it means that you can operate it, you can do it from anywhere in the world. As long as you have a phone or a laptop and a good internet connection, that is all. And you know how to do stuffs on your phone, you know how to type, you know how to search, you know how to communicate in English, because majorly English is the main official language of most of these affiliate marketing platforms. Once you have all that, that's it. You are ready to go, you are good to go. So yes, you can do this in Africa, in Europe, in America, wherever you are. Another question says, how do I shorten the link copied? So there are different platforms that you can use for shortening link. I personally use bit.ly. I'm going to be leaving it on the screen and also in the description box below. Most of them, including bit.ly, have paid version, but I use the free version because I do not need the paid version yet. So basically, you can register with any of these link shortening websites, and you can go ahead and use it to shorten your links. It is so easy, very, very easy. If you want me to do a short video about it, just let me know, or I can find a video about it and just link it for you below. So this next question says, when I copy the link on the marketplace, then does it mean I have bought the product? Then when I paid for the particular product, how will I get paid, or how will my money get back to me and my commission? Okay, so I can see for your comment that you really do not have an understanding of what affiliate marketing is yet. So I recommend you to watch some of the videos in the description box below and also register for this masterclass, because the truth is I have a lot of videos about affiliate marketing, how to make money about it, how to get started and all that. But sometimes what some of you need is tutoring, is having someone by your side take you hand in hand and say, this is what you need to do. After you've done this, this is the next step. So if you think you need a step-by-step guide, then please grab that link in my description box below. Register and I'll see you on the other side. So this next question says, please, I'm already an affiliate. I lost my phone and now I have gotten another one. I don't know how to get the link to my UMM course. So if you've lost your phone and you don't know how to get your link, basically what you need to do is to try and sign into your Gmail account. So when you register for the UMM course, this is a course by Digitstem Affiliate Marketing founders. Basically when you register, they will have sent you a confirmation and a link via your email. So just try and log into your email account on any phone or any computer and then search for UMM course, or just search for Digitstem or UMM course, and then it will bring it. You can sign in from there, and if you've forgotten your password, just click on forgot password or something like that, and then it will get it all sorted for you. So now we are on this particular interesting comment that I got on one of my videos. It says, so why will I pay to be an affiliate here when ClickBank, Amazon, Digistore, Warrior Plus, and many CPA platforms are all joined for free? Why must Nigerian affiliate networks always be different? Can't this Digitstem and ExpertNet learn from StakeCut and others? I don't think I am going to waste my time with platforms like Digitstem and ExpertNet. They are set up by greedy people and therefore cannot be trusted. Okay, first of all, let me say, go and tell that to the people who are cashing out from Digitstem. If you find somebody who is cashing out from Digitstem, then you know that you have no points. I mean, if it only takes you to pay 20,000 naira to get yourself set up and ready to be making, let's say, roughly 50,000 or even 100,000 or even more per month on Digitstem, will you not think that's a good investment? And I think what most of us do forget about is that in many ways you cannot compare Nigeria to European and American companies. I mean, they've gone so far, they've gone a long way. If you make your research and you go to the root of some of these companies, I'm sure that there are a lot of things that they started with that people were not happy with. And they were like, oh, we should have this for free, we should have this for free. This entitlement mentality, we need to shake it off. Shake it off in 2024. If someone or if a company has said, this is how I do my thing, you as a consumer, you have two choices. You either accept it or you reject it. So do either one that fits you. You don't have to accept it. You are not being forced to join Digitstem. You are not being forced. I am not their staff. In fact, I don't know any one of them, any one of their staff or any one of the founders. I don't know them personally. I made videos about Digitstem affiliate marketing like I had made videos about other affiliate marketing platforms, you know, in the world. Talk about Digistore, talk about Amazon, talk about some others. I've made various videos about them. So it's not like I am being paid to make videos about them. I see something that is good for Nigerians, for the world to make money, and I come on here and I share it. So if you feel like it is not what you would like to do, you don't have to do it. People that are doing it and getting results for it, I'm sure they have a different story. They will not agree with what you are saying. You know, sometimes when we don't pay for some things, we don't take them serious. I can tell you the difference between something that I paid for and something that I did not pay for. You know, when you pay for something, you take it more serious than when you don't pay for something. And it's not like you are paying and you are just paying. I mean, from this payment, you got a whole training about how to become an affiliate marketer. So what's the fuss about? If you want to go for this training with online business coaches, you know how much you pay for it. You know how much they charge. So why are you complaining about $20 if $20 can actually make you $100 per month, $200 per month, $2,000 per month? And like I said, I paid for my Digitstem affiliate marketing also. It wasn't like they gave it to me on a platter of gold, or they said, oh Victoria, this is your login, take it, go ahead. If you have gone through my videos, you'll see me show you the process that I took to get into Digitstem affiliate marketing. So everybody is paying. Is either you pay or you leave. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this? Do you think Digitstem affiliate marketing is overboard by charging for people to become a part of Digitstem to promote products? Just let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. Make sure you watch these other videos about affiliate marketing and how to make money on affiliate marketing platforms this year.